I first want to welcome Alex back. Alright, so take a look. Have we talked about percentage yield? One time. But what did I equate percentage yield to? Calculating your grade. How do you calculate your test grade? You take the amount of points you got out of the theoretical amount you should have gotten times 100%. It is the exact same way when you're calculating percentage yield. So we are looking at an actual amount divided by a theoretical amount times 100% equals percentage yield. Now, tell me, what do you think of when you hear theoretical yield? You should think of one thing. Where do you get the theoretical yield? So, where do we get actual yields, Reese?
From the lab.
From your measurements in lab. So where do we get theoretical yields? You get your theoretical yields from your stoichiometry. So what you are calculating is what you expect to produce. It's not always what you actually produce, though. So we're going to start here with 4.73 grams of magnesium. What are we converting to?
Moles to
Nope. What's our endings place?
grams.
Grams of
Magnesium hydroxide.
magnesium hydroxide. How do I go from grams to moles?
Gram. Molar ratio. No.
Molar
Molar
mass.
Yeah, that's what I was trying
What's your molar mass of magnesium?
24.305.
24.305 grams for every 1 mole of magnesium. So now I'm at moles of magnesium. Where do I go next?
Molar ratio.
Mole ratio. What's your mole ratio here? 1 mole of magnesium to 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide. Where do I go from moles of magnesium hydroxide? Evan? Yes, Evan! Molar mass of magnesium hydroxide, which is what? For every 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide, how many grams do I have? Mg plus 2 O's plus 2 H's. 58.31 grams of MgOH2. When you calculate it, 4.73 divided by 24.305 times 58.31. What answer do you get? 11.3 grams of MgOH2. Now, that is your theoretical yield. What is your actual yield? So, 7.6 grams divided by my theoretical 11.3 grams times 100% equals what?
Can I ask you a question?
67%. 67% yield here. So, 67% yield. This is telling you that you yielded 67% of what you actually expected to produce. What's the percent error? What's the percent error here? So, percentage yield is the inverse of percent error. Percent error 100% minus your 67, your error is 33%. Now, if I actually wanted to plug into an equation, I can find my error, actual minus theoretical. I'm going to take an absolute value of that, divided by my theoretical times 100% equals percentage error.
So